welcome to this video of how to use the SharkEye Whippet or the 45L in Dunlop guys. We make for Dunlop, it's the same thing, different badges. So with your Whippet, you've gone through the unboxing, assembly. It comes with standard steering wheel clamp and it comes with dish tone plates. Obviously we're not using them today because we've got this set up. So I'll move them out of the way. What we do, we clamp the steering wheel in a straight position. There you go, that's straight. How do we put it on? It's a hang-on system. You put it on that, put it on the top of the wheel. This top rim button is here, camber. There's a separate video how to use that. I'll run that through with you. Now these bottom ones are for your toe. These want to be in the bottom third of the wheel. And you need to straighten it up on the spirit level. Good contact. And that's mirror the other side. So, centimetre. I'll show you what that box is for later. That's for me. So, same again. Top one's for camber. In. That needs to be straight on the spirit level. And these bottom two here. Bottom third of the wheel. And a nice contact. And that is settled. So turn it on. Right, but I'm colourblind. I can't see shades. It's quite bad. Everybody else is in this doing this filming here today. My wife continually tells me it's green, not brown. I'm going to put that there because I can't see the laser on the mirror. Bear with me. It's a bit of an aid, but I'm sure some of you, the people who've got this condition, shade blind and colourblind, will know exactly what I'm on about there. Very frustrating. If I ever offer to wire your house electric, don't let me do it. Can't see the colours. Right, this is an optical. So we've got one laser, one reflecting mirror. Sounds basic, is basic. It's very simple, a very simple design, but it works very, very well. I don't recommend these for a professional garage. Professional garage, you need at least our Falcon range with a four-wheel liner. So if you are looking to purchase for a four-wheel, for a professional auto shop where you're charging customers, start with the Falcon. If you are doing your own fleet, if it's vans, you're a courier company, got a fleet of vans, or you're a mechanic and stuff like that, these are plenty good enough. If you've got the skill, you know what you're doing, you'll get through with it. So, quick through it. What we do is this one here reflects to that one there. That one there reflects to this one here. And that is basically how it works. What we've got to do, we've got to try and get this car as close to 0, 0 as we can. As we can see, the laser from there is showing 0 on here. And so this wheel, the right hand wheel, is in line where it should be. But what we don't have, the left hand wheel is out. So the left hand wheel on the gauge is 9+. So it's towing in 9 degrees. What I'll do is I'll adjust it to bring this reflected wheel, so the mirror reflected, as far as I can in. Cameraman's just kicked my my drink over. That's all the noise was I was looking at. So We'll be giving him a damn good thrashing later. We'll give him a kicking, take him outside and form the queue. Nobody likes him. Right, so what we now have +3 and -2.5. What I would say with this, we've clamped the steering wheel, so we know the steering wheel's straight, and we're probably not going to get this to 0. So when this goes down the road, so we've got so on paper, the wheels are doing this. When it goes down the road, it will do that. The steering wheel will still be in the same place, just trust me on that, it will still go forward. So for me, that's done. +3, -3, it's within manufacturer tolerance. And so these are degrees as well, these are not millimeters. And so on millimeters, it would be smaller. So for me, that's done. I personally would lock it up at that and send it on its way. It's up to you if you want to sit there playing and get it to 0. You probably can, but for the video, what we're doing now, I wouldn't bother. That for me, so I'll reiterate, for me, that's done. +3, -3, go down the road. It'll go to parallel, it'll be 0. You'll get no tyre wear from that. The car won't pull, the steering wheel should be straight, and that's done. So that is basically how you use the SharkEye Whippet or the 45 Dunlop. Your results may vary, but the rule of thumb here is if you've got equal. So if you've got anything below 3, so 3, 2, 1 in plus, 3, 2, 1 minus, or the other way around, doesn't matter which configuration. So if you've got 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 3, doesn't matter. Any of those numbers, as long as they're equal, leave it at that, lock it off. It's done. You're not really going to get it any better without using the four-wheel alignment system. But that will sort your single axle bow. So that will do it. Any problems that you had, if it's out, you put a new ball joint on, that will sort the problem. So